check for a number, a strong number or not. Strong number. What is strong number? Sum of factorials of individual digits of any number is equal to original number is a strong number. To take an example of 145, 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial is equal to 145. So it's a strong number. So in this program we use a function. Name of the function is get factorial. Look at that function declaration before main. No confusion regarding void main or int main. You can use whatever you feel convenient depending on your compiler. Look at that function declaration, int get factorial within brackets int number. This is what you call function declaration, and the name of the function is get factorial with one parameter. Enter a number to know whether it is Armstrong or not. It is not Armstrong. There is a typo mistake. Let it be strong number. Enter a number to know whether it is strong or not. So read the number. Look at that while loop. Sum is equal to sum plus get factorial of I. Get factorial of I is your function call. I is equal to n mod 10. So if your number is 145 and I is equal to 145 mod 10, 145 mod 10 is 5, and the function get factorial is called for 5. So you need to find the individual digit. From 145, take out 5 first, find the factorial and then sum it. From 145, take out 4 and then 1 and so on. This is what we are supposed to do. Without any confusion, look at the statement. Sum is equal to sum plus get factorial of I. That is, get factorial of I is your function call. And the base logic is common. The common base logic is to find individual digits. If you write sum is equal to sum plus I is nothing but sum of individual digits of any number. As we are supposed to find the factorial, and we call the factorial function here. If sum is equal to temp, as we know, in these type of program original number becomes 0. And we need original number to compare with the sum. So that is the reason why the statement temp is equal to NUM. If sum is equal to temp, then it is a strong number, otherwise it is not a strong number. I repeat, in these type of programs the original number becomes 0. You can check it out the while loop. For that reason you need to keep the original number in some other variable. That's the reason why there is a statement temp is equal to NUM. So look at the function definition. The function is defined outside the main. What is the name of the function? Get factorial with one parameter, and it is NUMBER. And what is the logic inside? Inside is the factorial logic. No confusion regarding the variables. Instead of factorial, you can use f is equal to f into I. And return factorial semicolon. That's the reason why int get factorial is there instead of void get factorial. So in this program we used a function. Inside the function we use the logic to find the factorial of any number. You can write the program without using functions also.